Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.3 question 5 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly is given in question number 5. Now moving on to question number 5, it is given that the first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Solution.
So friends, as per the question, it is given like the first term of the AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. We need to find the number of terms and the common difference. So let us first put the data that we have with us. So they have given first term of this AP as 5 and last term. Because we don't know the last term, so I am putting it as the nth term. Nth term is 45. Now I will put this one as A1 and this one as AN. So this is the data they have given to us. With the help of this data and one more data they have given is like Sn is equal to 100. So with these three data in hand, we are going to find out n and the common difference. So let's see. We are going to find out n as well as common difference d. Now what we can do, let us first use this sum, because here they have given Sn is equal to 400, not 100. Okay. Now I will use the formula 2Sn. The sum of the arithmetic progression formula is equal to n into A1 plus An. Okay. Now I can write when n, because we don't know the value of this n, so I can write 2 into 400. Because Sn is 400, 2 into 400 is equal to n into A1. A1 is 5 plus 45. An is 45. Or I can write 800 is equal to n into 50. Therefore, I can write 50n, not therefore, I can write 50n is equal to 800. Or I can write n is equal to 800 by 50, or that is equal to 16. So we calculated the value of n is 16. This is one part that we are able to find out. So I can write n is equal to 16. Now we need to find out the common difference d. So let us use the previous old formula. We know like An is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into d. So let's see. I'm going to write An is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into d. Or An is 45 here. I can write 45 is equal to 5 plus n is 16, 16 minus 1 into d. Or I can write 45 minus 5 is equal to 16 minus 1 is nothing but 15d. Or I can write 40 is equal to 15d. Or I can say d is equal to 40 by 15. And I can say 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are 15. Therefore, d is equal to 8 by 3. That's all, guys. We are able to calculate the value of d as 8 by 3. So I believe you people are understood this calculation. This calculation was very easy and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. And please do not forget to subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.